So, in the garage, about to get dirty, start polishing my crank.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story.
We're gonna start out by wiping down all the suspension stuff, the axle steering stuff that got covered in oil from the oil pan being off and dripping. And I got this big old piece of cardboard here. We'll slide under there, and we're gonna do a little sanding, see if we can get that buildup off of those crankshaft journals. All right, so we have done the sanding. Lane has done the sanding of the crank, and all the journals are nice and smooth. And now we're gonna flood out, clean out the top of the engine, and see if we can get some bearings put back in this thing. So yeah, fun. Yuck. Wish us luck. We even had to bust out the stuff here that predates YouTube University. I know there's a lot of YouTube University mechanics out there. We're digging it old school. We got a Chilton's and a Haynes. Doing a little cleaning. Got the bearings tapped back in, the main spec in there, the thrust washers in there. Just keep putting this thing together. Let's see if we can hear it run tonight, maybe. Bolt the last rod cap back on. Let's get things torqued down. See if we can make this old girl run again. So, all right. I think you're on your own on that one. Come on, baby.
That's for that power steering supposed to be pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah, let's shut it off. No, fill it up. Okay.
I don't use the good stuff. So we've had her running a little bit already, but this is the first official sitting in it start. Oh.
Knock a lot of dirt loose.
So we got a noisy power steering pump still, but we got good oil pressure. Besides that stupid power steering pump, we got no weird noises. Maybe we don't have good noises. That didn't sound very good. Yeah, I don't like the sound of that. No. Yeah, so
We're blowing oil out of the tailpipe.
it's making a bad noise. That's a bummer. It always blew some carbon and stuff out. It's been sitting for, a year. Literally. I mean, some of that's condensation, or is it all oil? Yeah, it's just condensation.
That smells like oil too, though. Yeah.
Okay. So, where's it coming from? Sounds very lower endy.
It could still be red tolerances.
Well, the fruits of our labor were rotten. That didn't mean we didn't have a good harvest. We tried like heck. So, I guess that means we got to drop the oil pan back out. Probably use some plastic gauge, which I thought I didn't need to do last time because I use the same size bearings. But I guess maybe I needed to plastic gauge those bearings and find out. Maybe the crank is sized even more so than I thought. Or maybe I had to sand it more so than I thought. Or Lane sanded it more so than we thought. But anyway, tonight was kind of a fail, but we'll get there.